Hi, I'm Michael Energy from TryPerDiem.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your business hours on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard. Let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is to go down to Operations, click here to expand the menu, and then click on Business Hours. So the reason why you want to come here is to be sure that we are not taking your business hours from Square directly for both pickup and delivery. So it's important that this is turned off for you to be able to make changes to your business hours on our side, which is the Per Diem dashboard. So if this is turned on, you want to be sure that you turn it off and then you save. So the next thing you want to do after that is to go down to Locations. And then for the location where you want to set the business hour for, click on that. I'm going to click on Los Angeles, and you will get to see the location information and scroll down to see the business hours. So you can set business hours for both pickup and delivery. In this instance, we have pickup set, so I'm going to do for delivery now. We have a couple of hours set for delivery already, but I'm just going to add more hours for demonstration purpose. But first, let me explain these checkboxes. So the first one here, which basically says apply this configuration to all other locations, means that whatever you set here for delivery, you will have those settings applied to all the other locations as well. And if you check this other box which says use same pickup hours, it means that whatever you set on the pickup side will be automatically set for delivery as well. So for now, I'm just going to leave these two unchecked, and then I will show you how to set hours for just manually by yourself. So I'm going to click to check the box for Tuesday, and then I can now go in to impute the hours. So I've set 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Another thing you can actually do is to set multiple hours within the same day, just as we've seen for Sunday and Monday. All you have to do is click on the plus icon here, and then you'd get a new field for open and close time. So it's important that you set hours before 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. or after 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You cannot set any hours that fall within these hours. If not, it's going to show an overlapping hour error. So I'll just show what that looks like. If I were to put 8 a.m. again, you're going to get the error that says you have overlapping hours. So it has to be before that time or after that time that had been set. So I'm going to do for 11 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. And as you can see, the error has gone away because this falls after 10 p.m. So it's actually correct. Once you're done with that, you just have to click on save, confirm, and your business hour will be set for that location. Thank you.